This is the WaterRower Natural Rowing Machine, and honestly, it might be the most beautiful piece of fitness equipment ever made. But here's the real question. Is it actually a great rowing machine, or are you just paying premium money for fancy furniture with a water tank? After digging into expert reviews and long-term user feedback, I found something pretty interesting. This machine absolutely nails some things and completely misses others. So if you're thinking about dropping over $1,000 on a home rower, stick around because this might not be for the person you think it is. WaterRower Natural Rowing Machine Product Overview. The WaterRower Natural is a premium indoor rowing machine from WaterRower, a Rhode Island-based company known for basically pioneering the modern water resistance rower. It's handcrafted from solid ash wood and uses a patented water flywheel system instead of magnetic or air resistance. This particular model is aimed squarely at people who want their home gym equipment to look as good as it performs. It's not trying to be the most hardcore, competition-grade rower on the market. Instead, it's built for people who want a smooth, low-impact, full-body workout and don't want an ugly industrial machine sitting in their living room. WaterRower Natural Performance. Here's the thing. The WaterRower Natural delivers one of the most realistic rowing experiences you can get indoors. The water resistance system creates a dynamic feel, where the harder you pull, the more resistance you get, just like rowing an actual boat. Experts consistently praise how smooth and natural the stroke feels. And that sound? Instead of the loud jet engine fan noise you get from air rowers like the Concept 2, you hear this calming whoosh of water. It's weirdly relaxing. Honestly, for apartment dwellers or early morning exercisers, that alone might be enough reason to choose this over an air rower. But, and this is important, it's not all perfect. If you're a competitive rower or serious athlete who cares about split times, exact watt output, or benchmark training, the WaterRower isn't ideal. Its resistance and pace tracking simply aren't as standardized or precise as something like the Concept 2. That's a common criticism from experienced rowers. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features. 1. Water resistance flywheel. This is the headline feature. Instead of magnets or fans, the WaterRower uses paddles spinning in water to generate resistance. Why should you care? Because it makes the rowing stroke feel dramatically smoother and more natural than most budget rowers. It's also self-regulating, meaning resistance scales with your effort automatically. 2. Upright storage. Despite being over 7 feet long in use, the WaterRower stores vertically. That means when you're done, you can stand it up against a wall like a piece of art. Huge win for smaller apartments or multi-use rooms. Experts consistently highlight this as one of its best practical features. 3. High weight capacity. The WaterRower supports users up to around 700 pounds, which is significantly higher than many competitors. That makes it one of the more inclusive premium rowers available. Design and build. Aesthetically, WaterRower absolutely crushed it. The solid ash wood frame feels warm, premium, and frankly more like luxury furniture than gym equipment. It doesn't scream fitness machine the way most rowers do. And the practical benefit of wood is not just looks. Wood naturally absorbs vibration better than metal, which helps make the rowing motion feel quieter and smoother. Build quality overall is excellent. These machines are known to last for years, even with heavy use. That said, because it uses real wood and water, there's a bit more maintenance than a typical metal air rower. You'll occasionally need water purification tablets, and long-term tank maintenance can become a factor. Some owners also report occasional seal or tank issues after many years. Pros. Incredibly smooth and realistic rowing feel. Stores vertically for space-saving convenience. Excellent build quality and durability. Cons. Less accurate for performance-focused training. Requires occasional maintenance. Final verdict. So, is the WaterRower Natural Rowing Machine worth your hard-earned cash? Honestly, for the right person, absolutely. If you're someone who wants a premium home cardio machine, a quiet workout experience, fitness equipment that actually looks good in your home, and a rowing feel that's smooth, natural, and enjoyable, then the WaterRower Natural is one of the best options out there.
But if you're a competitive athlete, data nerd, or someone who wants the most performance per dollar, you may be better off with something like the Concept 2 RowErg, which offers more accurate metrics and better training data for less money.